going to start with playing game. Do you all like games? Do you all like games?
Yes.
Yes.
Who doesn't like games?
Yes.
Everybody there? Okay, good, awesome. I love playing games, so that's why I brought this game to you today. To play this game, we need to learn how to act out some words. Okay, we need to learn how to act out some words. So when you play a game, you are going to use the actions. But don't say the word.
Okay.
Don't say the word, just action. Only the body language, okay? So I'm going to teach you now how to act out the words, okay? So, do you remember these words we learned in last class? Do you remember?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
So we learned what?
Yes.
What do we learn last time? We learned on, next to, across from, between something and something, right? Yeah. So I'm going to show you how to act out these words because we're going to use these actions when you play a game, okay? So on, I will show you. On is this. Yeah, on is this. Where is my hat? Where is my hat? My hat is on my head. Yeah, so this action is for on, okay? You have to remember, I want you to remember this. But I told you, don't say on. You're not supposed to say on, okay? Just do this, okay? Yeah.
Okay.
So let's practice with a sentence here. So, you see the house here? Do you see? Yeah. How do you describe this house? Where is the house? The house is... No, you can say the house. You can say the house. The house is...
Street.
Exactly. But don't say on. You're not saying no, okay? The house is... Street. Exactly. Good job. Very good. So now you remember what is on? This. Yeah, exactly. Your hand is on your hands. The house is on the street. Okay? Good. Awesome. The next one is, I just said, next to. Next to, okay. I will show you now how to do it. Next to is this. Next to. Next to. Yeah. Yeah. Like this. Yeah. Just follow me, copy me, and remember this. So, let's practice the sentence now. What do you say? Where is the pharmacy? The pharmacy is
The bookstore.
the bookstore. One more time. The pharmacy is bookstore. Exactly. Good job. You have to remember this action so that you can explain to your partner when you play a game. Okay? Good. Awesome. And the next one is across from. Across from, I will show you how to do it. Where is the school here? Let's look at the school here first. This? This? No. Across is this. Yeah. This. So the school is, where is the school? The park. One more time. The school is the park. Good job. So now you remember across from is what? So you have to decide. Don't say. Just do this, okay? So that your partner know, what is it? Across from, okay? Yeah, good job. And lastly, we're going through between something and something. Let's look at the picture first. Where is the bank? Where is the bank? Bank.
The bank is
The bank is between the post office and the restaurant. But the rule is we are not saying it. So I'm going to show you what action. Between this. Where is my hat? My hat is between, yeah, my left hand, my right hand, right? So this action is what? Between, yeah, something and something. So now you remember, what is it between? This.
This.
Okay, let's practice with this sentence then. Where is the bank?
The bank
The bank is
the post
the post office,
and
the restaurant. Okay, good job. Yeah. Isn't it fun? I know it looks silly, but it's actually really fun. So using these actions we just learned, you're going to play the game. Okay? So now I'm going to give you out the map here. Do you see the map? This is a map of a town.
Okay.
Are you familiar with this map? No. This is a totally new map for you. But each of you has a different map. Okay? So you have to explain where the missing places are to your partner. Okay? So when you ask your partner, you can use these sentences to ask. So how do you ask? Excuse me, where is this place? Okay? Yeah, hospital, drugstore, post office, yeah. So when you see the map, you see a lot of blanks here, right? The blank. And you have to find those places where they, are going. So park, restaurant, but you have different places. So you have to find it out by asking your partner. You have to ask your partner. How? Excuse me, where is something something? And your partner going to answer, how? What are you supposed to do? What do you have to do when you explain? The hospital is Main Street. The hospital is post office. Okay? So, but you have to look at your map, and then you can create the action. Okay? All right. So now we're going to play a game. Okay? So you two and you two and you two can pair up and then start playing the game. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Go ahead now, please.